This week, Parashat Vayechi. This is the Shur on Tefila. In other words, we are talking about there is a war in Israel, and people are looking and seeking for what type of Tefila to say. They push WhatsApp from Rabbi WhatsApp to tell them what tell him to say, what Nosach to say, how to say it, how should we say, how many times should we say. A mother, instead of taking of the children, taking of their own, is all day busy with WhatsApp and find out what segula, what are the things to do. Nowadays, the Gadol Hador and the one who introduces the ideas to Kahal Israel is Mr. Rabbi, Dr. WhatsApp. Everything goes through WhatsApp and WhatsApp comes about. But I tell you, we don't need WhatsApp. We don't need anything. Chachamim tell us the davening. And I think that even we don't have to add Tehillim to davening. We don't have to add Avinu Malkeinu to davening. We have the Nosach of davening. Let's focus those who understand, those who are educated. We understand that in the Nosach of davening that we have every day, we have it. Why do we rush through and we don't understand what we are saying, and then we add Tehillim, we add other things? Let's focus on what we have, say it in a better way. Understand what you are saying. And you see the Nosach is there. One of the brachot that we have in Shemoneh, the last bracha is Sim Shalom. Yachad Kollel who put Shalom. What does mean Sim Shalom? Marshim says Sim Shalom to all. Sim Shalom. Shalom starts first and the most within a person. We need peace within a person. There is a war in Israel between Hamas and IDF, but there is a bigger war within every Jew. That war is much more dangerous. Because the war of IDF, he could identify the enemy. He knows what's the enemy. There are tunnels, okay, there is ambush. In other words, believe me, an enemy in ambush is much easier than enemy that comes in front of you lovely. It comes in front of you so beautiful, so sweet. And that's the battlefield that we have within ourselves, to identify this that comes so lovely and so appealing is your enemy. It kills you, destroys your neshama, destroys your being, and you're not aware of it. Over there, at least Hamas, you know what he's doing. October 7th showed to us what type of enemy he is. The hatred is there. Every type of feelings is there against them. But this enemy comes within you. Is very appealing, is very lovely, is very kind and very sweet, and it absorbs you, it takes you. So this milchama that we have is much stronger. Therefore, shalom starts within a person first. And how do we create that shalom? The Nosach says you need shalom. The first thing is shalom. In the Nosach we say, even life without shalom is not life. Life that's a person that's with peace within himself, and all of the peace, shalom bayit, with the children, all the sources within yourself. If a person finds peace within himself, if he doesn't find, you have the best wife, the best children, there's no shalom, because within yourself you don't have shalom. Now, how do we create that shalom? Nosach says the old panim. From the old panim of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. How the Nosach says in the village Shemoneh every day, in other words, people work on laptop for hours and hours to find the best stock market. The hygiene of profit is the highest and gives you progress and happiness, joy in life. And we just finished Shemoneh, told you the best stock market is the face of Hashem. To get to face of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, everything's there. Now the question is, how do we get to the face of Hashem? Somebody says that, I love HaKadosh Baruch Hu, I love Hashem. Once somebody came with the earrings on Yom Kippur to a shul with Rav Novach Weinberg. Rav Novach Weinberg says that, he has the long hair, long hair with the earrings, and, he looks punk. And they say, what do you do? And Yom Kippur, you're here. He says, I came to daven. He says, no, you know HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you know Torah. Says, yeah, of course. I love Hashem. And then he says that, why do you love Hashem? He says, Hashem is my best friend. Your best friend? Oh, how did he become your best friend? Rabbi, you don't know what happened to me. One time I had a motorcycle. I was going on a road, very very wavy road. In other words, you have to turn, and turn, and turn. One time I turned, but the road didn't turn on me. I hit the mountain and I was thrown up. And all of a sudden, my motorcycle went down and I got stuck to the tree. And, I didn't know what to do. The only thing that I did, I davened and prayed, Hashem save me, and Hashem saved me. Therefore, Hashem is my best friend, save me. Now, Rabbi Nachman told me, really? He says, I want to ask you a question. What's the question? It's okay. The one who saved you was Hashem. But I want to ask you, who put you there? Did you think about it? Who put you there? No, he didn't know. He was about to answer, but he didn't know. What do you mean, who put you there? Who put you there? Then Rav Novak Weinberg broke the news to him. The same person who saved you, the same person put you there. Unbelievable result. Unbelievable result. Unbelievable result. You have such an episode, and you come up, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is my love, my friend, his best friend, because he saved me. But HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the one who put you there, because Hashem, this lovely friend, has a plan for you. Not just get saved and say, oh, I love you, I love you. No, Hashem put you there, has a plan for you. He wants you to understand the cheshivut of life, the cheshivut of our relationship. Not just getting a bracha and blessing, making a party and going away. No, there is a plan in your life. There is something going on in your life that HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to teach you. It wasn't such saving you and make a big fuss and go ahead in life, whatever that you are doing, continue doing. Hashem is my best friend and I continue. No, Hashem did that to you to wake you up. Hashem wanted to make you aware of what's the purpose of life, and that's the greatest blessing. Therefore, the blessing comes from Or Panecha of Hashem. How do we get to Or Panecha of Hashem? It's the only way is to search Him. How do we search Hashem? Through Torah. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is hidden in the Torah, in the Masechtot, in the Gemara, in the Mishnah, in the Midrash, in the Tefila, in the words of Torah. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Tahal Israel, my children, I'm the father of you. You want to look for your father? Where do you look for your father? In the words of Torah. Any Masechet, any Sefer, any book that you open and you learn, doesn't matter in English, Persian, whatever, you discover your hidden father. And that's our job. Our job is in this world to realize HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to understand Hashem, and through that we bring the Mashiach Tzidkenu with Hashem, and that would be the greatest blessing and bracha that we could bring to our soldiers in Israel.